drenched lamb rack.
I first start by wrapping my pans in foil. We'll use this later to place the marinated lamb when it's time to chill in the fridge. The first step is to prep the lamb. I usually get the lamb from Costco, and as you can see, it is beautiful. I then cut in between the bones. I tilt my knife a little bit when I cut because I find that the bones are a bit angled. And voila! I try to make sure that there was about even amount of meat on each piece. Now for the seasoning, you start with EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. You can use any brand. Then you add in some black pepper and some salt. I use garlic powder and regular garlic. Smother every piece in your seasoning. Make sure you get enough garlic on all the pieces. After you cling wrap it, you're going to place it in the fridge to chill. I usually leave it from an hour to about 4 hours. Now it's time to cook the lamb. You want to put it on high heat because you are going to sear the lamb. And you're going to want to hear that sizzle sound. And you ready for that sizzle sound? You then turn it over and repeat the process. Depending on if you like it medium or medium rare, you can cook it to your preference, however long you want it. Step 3 is to bake the lamb. I preheat it to 350 and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, fry some extra garlic on the side for garnish. After about 5 to 10 minutes, I'll take it out to check if it's done. You want to look at the bone part to see if everything is fully cooked. This is a pretty nice color. I think it's cooked nicely, and I also think it's ready to serve. And broccoli usually go good with any kind of meat. You can use any kind of honey, but I love this Hawaiian organic honey. And I use any kind of mustard that I have at home. Garlic you made on the side, you're going to use it as a garnish to place on top of the lamb. Because you can never have too much garlic. And it's all done! Doesn't that look good? I love what I have here. Sometimes I'll replace the mashed potatoes for home fries. If I have it in the fridge, I'll use asparagus and onions. Suggested wine pairing is Merlot if you're fancy. Me and my husband just usually drink Pepsi with everything and eat kimchi with everything.